Do you know that the deadliest tsunami in recorded history was the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which killed almost 230,000 people in 14 countries including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, Somalia, Myanmar, Maldives, Malaysia, Tanzania, Seychelles, Bangladesh, South Africa, Yemen and Kenya. There were also many injuries and a lot of property damage. A tsunami is a series of extremely long waves caused by a large and sudden displacement of the ocean, usually the result of an earthquake below or near the ocean floor. This force creates waves that radiate outward in all directions away from their source, sometimes crossing entire ocean basins. Unlike wind-driven waves, which only travel through the topmost layer of the ocean, tsunamis move through the entire water column, from the ocean floor to the ocean surface. Most tsunamis are caused by earthquakes on converging tectonic plate boundaries. According to the Global Historical Tsunami Database, since 1900, over 80% of likely tsunamis were generated by earthquakes. However, tsunamis can also be caused by landslides, volcanic activity, certain types of weather, and, possibly, near-Earth objects, e.g., asteroids, comets colliding with or exploding above the ocean. Once a tsunami forms, its speed depends on the depth of the ocean. In the deep ocean, a tsunami can move as fast as a jet plane, over 500 miles per hour, and its wavelength, the distance from crest to crest, may be hundreds of miles. Mariners at sea will not normally notice a tsunami as it passes beneath them. In deep water, the top of the wave rarely reaches more than 3 feet higher than the ocean swell. NOAA Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami (DART) systems, located in the deep ocean, are able to detect small changes in sea level height and transmit this information to tsunami warning centers. A tsunami only becomes hazardous when it approaches land. As a tsunami enters shallow water near coastal shorelines, it slows to 20 to 30 miles per hour. The wavelength decreases, the height increases, and currents intensify. When they strike land, most tsunamis are less than 10 feet high, but in extreme cases, they can exceed 100 feet near their source. A tsunami may come onshore like a fast-rising flood or a wall of turbulent water, and a large tsunami can flood low-lying coastal areas more than a mile inland. Rushing water from waves, floods, and rivers is incredibly powerful. Just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock adults off their feet, and 12 inches can carry away a small car. Tsunamis can be particularly destructive because of their speed and volume. They are also dangerous as they return to the sea, carrying debris and people with them. The first wave in a tsunami may not be the last, the largest, or the most damaging. Stay out of the tsunami hazard zone until local officials tell you it is safe, as the danger may last for hours or days.